Today's video is being made specially for mobile trader. There are many traders who trade through mobile phone, so they face many problems in different cases because it's not as easy to use as PC. Since we have been uploading video of many strategy and sharing indicator for PC trader, so many people want to know how to set up those indicator on mobile phone. So in today's video, we will discuss this topic in details and I will show you how you can get maximum benefit from mobile. So today's main topic are how to set up different indicator on MT4 mobile app, how to use the necessary indicator in the TradingView mobile app, and last one is how you can analyze through mobile phone. So those who are mobile trader must watch this video till the end. So hello viewers, I am an official member of FOREX BD and you are watching how to do analysis through mobile phone. So the first one is how to do analysis with mobile phone. First of all, you have to install MT4 app to do analysis through mobile phone. Surely you know how to install these apps. So install and log in with your ID. To know more about how to log in via mobile on different broker platform, check our broker review. Here we have shown how you can log in through mobile phone. So watch this video. However, after login, it's time to set up different indicator for analysis. So you will first click once on the screen and some option will come up. Here you can see a lot of option, especially a time frame option, but you can see an option on the side that is marked. If you click there, you will find different type of line such as trend line, horizontal line, then different type of shape and channel here. As you can see on the screen, here you can see a different tool to draw Fibonacci. After that, if we go down a little further, we can see here the tools for drawing different type of pattern in the market. We have given many videos with triangle pattern, rectangle pattern and showed how to use them. So if you want to draw this through mobile phone, then just click on your desired tools like we are taking rectangle pattern. So after clicking, the chart will come in front of you. Then you will draw it in the place you want. Suppose we will draw a rectangle pattern in this two end. So we will first click on one end and drag it to other end so that it will be drawn on both ends. This is how you can draw all tools. That could be Fibonacci or the trend line. Again, if we want to draw the trend line, then in the same way we will touch the screen once and some option will come to the front and clicking on the option will bring up a page. Here you will click on the plus sign option at the top. Then all tools will come up in front of you. So here you have to select your desired tools. So I am selecting the trend line. As soon as you select it, the chart will come in front of you just like before. We will first touch one end and drag it to another end so that the trend line will be set up. Again, if you want to delete this, then the same process again. This means that if you touch the screen, the option will come, then click there. Then a page will appear. You will see the tools drawn in the chart. But you have to select the delete icon in the top corner. So click on the icon to delete it. Then the option to mark will come. If you want, you can mark and delete whatever you want by clicking on the delete icon. But what if we want to set up the indicator? In that case, the process is almost same. But for that you have to click on a different icon. Here you can see the indicators icon above. This icon is everywhere to indicate the indicator. So if we click here, then the all indicator for mobile will come in front of you. From here you can take the indicator of your choice. We recently shared a great indicator called parabolic SIR. So if you want to set up that indicator on mobile, then you can see where it's written. So once you get this indicator, click there. Then a page will appear. There is no need to change anything. Just you will click done option above. So click on the top right option, then this indicator will set up on your screen. So you can see on the screen that our indicator has been drawn. If you landscape your mobile, it will be benefit to do analysis because your screen will larger little bit. You can see that the indicator is set up very nicely. When the market start to go downtrend, the point of this indicator start above the market. Again, when the market start to go uptrend, the point of this indicator start to drawn below the market. So this way you can get an idea about the market trend with the help of this indicator. We have given a video on this subject. those who have not seen this video must watch this video. It's a very effective indicator. So without wasting time, take a look now. Mobile trader or PC trader can use this indicator. There are several more indicators available on mobile that those who are in mobile trader can use this if you want. So in the same way, go to the indicator option. Suppose you want to set up Bollinger Band indicator. So click on Bollinger Band option. Then a page will appear. Here you no need to change anything. You just click on the top left option. Then this indicator will set up on your screen. You can see our indicator has been set up. So in this way, you can set up any indicator and you can get maximum benefit from MT4 mobile app. Then next one is how to do analysis with TradingView mobile app. Before that, I would like to request you, if you still don't subscribe FOREX BD, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update. Because your one subscribe can inspire us a lot to do better video. So to inspire us, don't forget to subscribe. So to analyze through the TradingView app, you must first install this app. If you search by typing TradingView in the Play Store, it will come in front of you. Then open it and come to the chart option. Here you can see the market. You can see a lot of tools on the left side of the screen. You can use whatever you need from here. If you want to set up a trend line here, you can see the icon above. If you click here, you will get what you need. Then click on your desired tools. So we clicked on the trend line and the chart opened. And once you clicked on the chart, a point will be drawn there. Then you can drag it to your desired place. Again, if you want to set up an indicator, you can also set up here. Above, there is an option for indicator. Click there and then you will search by typing your indicator. So search by entering the name of your desired indicator here. We search and our indicator has come. So once you click here, it will be set up. As you can see, our indicator has been set up. This way, you can set up all indicator in mobile. Alligator indicator, Bollinger Band or moving average, you can set up whatever you want. So in this way, you can get maximum benefit from mobile trading. So you can use MT4 platform through mobile, you can use MT5 platform through mobile, or you can use TradingView chart through mobile. So let us know in the comment box which platform do you like more through mobile. So don't forget to comment in the comment box. Then we will upload more details if you want. So before finishing the video, a humble request to you, if you like this video, don't forget to give us a like and leave a comment in the comment box. And if you want to know any topic about Forex, don't forget to comment in the comment box. FOREX BD obviously by your side 24 hours. So inspire us by liking and leave a comment for your desired information. And don't forget to subscribe so that we can stand by your side. And if we get your support, obviously we will help you whenever you need.